So now let's get into this. So OnePlus Pad, I cannot wait for this thing. OnePlus Pad 2. So we got some details that leaked, right? So OnePlus Pad 2. So it's going to see a new CPU. It's going to see a bigger display. Now, we got word it's going to be an LCD display, which kind of sucks. I was hoping to see an AMOLED display, but it is what it is. But here you have it. OnePlus Pad 2 is going to have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU. A display size of 12.1 inches, up from I think like 10.1 or 10.4. Display tech, so it's going to have 144 hertz IPS LCD with Dolby Vision and 900 nits peak brightness, which is a lot for a tablet and or PC. Memory and storage, base 8 gigs 128 and a 12 gig 256 option. Audio, gonna have 6 speakers stuffed into that tablet. Battery, just shy of 10,000 mAh battery with 67 watt super VOC charging. Cameras, 13 megapixels, 8 megapixel up front. Okay, here we go. It's up from 11.6 inches last year to 12.1 inches this year. It is an LCD, sadly not LED, but it is what it is. I hope to get one of these, and we will see. OnePlus, Daniel, yeah, you're right. You know what? Daniel says OnePlus is offering a $9 coupon worth $100 off new tablet. Yes, I was gonna present that. Actually, I was gonna pull that up. They emailed me too. I saw you yesterday when you commented that at the very end of the live stream. I got that email yesterday as well. So I don't know if it's just for us or if I can share it, but I will. I'll let y'all know tomorrow. I'll do some investigating after this is over and see if it's just specifically for myself or if I can share it to everybody. Don't know how many are going to be interested in this tablet, but I sure am. Not only are they releasing the Pad 2, but here on July 16th, which we will be live streaming as well. Let's see when the 16th is. Not this Tuesday, next Tuesday, we will be live streaming this event. They're going to release the OnePlus Pad 2, the OnePlus Nord 4, which looks badass, that we reviewed just a couple days ago, the Nord Buds 3 Pro, kind of mouthful, and the Watch 2R, which will have Android Wear on it, not the proprietary OnePlus software. So, looks to be pretty cool. I think they're doing this in Milan, Italy, so I believe this is early morning. So, nonetheless, join us on next Tuesday, and we'll cover all this, right?